Siri's AI overhaul is finally set to arrive later this year after a long wait. But Apple has a reason why it took so long. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech news. In a post-WWDC talk, leader of the Siri team explained back in 2025, the company managed to build a working version of Siri AI that was incremental and just a little better than the original Siri. But it was really not delivering the vision and experience the company wanted to give its users. As a result, the team then rebuilt Siri from the ground up. Like literally, they tore it to the ground and made a profoundly more capable Siri. So in other words, it sounds like Apple pivoted away from an initial plan of adding to the existing Siri after realizing this wouldn't cut it with expectant fans, and then started working on the lengthy job of completely rebuilding its digital assistant. Whether this is a satisfying explanation or not, it can be argued that a company with as much talent and experience as Apple should have already known what would be necessary to build a true AI assistant, especially when there were plenty of rival models the company could look to for inspiration. But it does feel quite good that Apple realizes that it should explain why this whole endeavor took so long. And while Apple's initial goal of delivering an incremental upgrade could go ahead, the ultimate decision to abandon that and rebuild Siri from the ground up was probably the right one, especially if we compare with the competition AI assistants are giving each other these days. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.